Welcome to Cambolc's AI for SMEs video. I'm Phil Spalding, the founder. You can find more about me on LinkedIn. In this video, we'll explore Cambolc's AI for SMEs, covering the what, the how, and the why. We are exploring three main parts. Part 1 looks at AI tools, including free options and those within Google Workspace. Part 2 addresses AI governance, audits, GDPR, and data retention. Finally, Part 3 discusses the future of AI, including metered AI and risk management. Let's start with Part 1, a look at various AI tools available today. AI image generation is rapidly evolving. The images here demonstrate the difference in style between images generated by ChatGPT in 2025 and Google Gemini in 2026, showing the speed of development. Building powerful prompts is essential for AI communication. It's like giving directions. The more specific the details, the better the output. Clear instructions are crucial to getting the desired results. AI prompts are built from 5 key parts, which form the PARTS acronym: persona, aim, recipients, theme, and structure. Defining these elements ensures a focused and effective prompt. To improve your skills, start with simple prompts, then practice adding the PARTS experiment, iterate based on outputs, and keep practicing to master prompt writing. Here is a prompt building template to craft your prompts like a pro. Use the format: I am a persona. State your aim and recipients. Describe the theme and structure. The example demonstrates a practical application for a small business owner. Responsible AI use involves 4 key areas. Always review AI outputs for accuracy. Use AI thoughtfully, avoiding harm. Be transparent about your use of AI and prioritize privacy and security to protect sensitive information. There are several main types of AI, including machine learning, robotic process automation, natural language processing, and computer vision. Machine learning is where a program learns from data. In its simplest form, this is often confused with AI. When new data is generated, we can argue it is artificial intelligence, but quicker operation does not automatically mean intelligence. RPA, or automates repetitive admin, is highly useful for small businesses by automating time-consuming, non-income generating tasks like invoicing. This is where businesses can initially leverage AI best. Natural language processing, or NLP, has a long history, from dictation software to modern applications like ChatGPT and Google Translate. It allows computer systems to interpret human language and is used in tools like Duolingo, Siri, and Alexa. Computer vision is an AI technology used for real-time monitoring and image creation. Image creation carries legal jeopardy, as using AI picture and video tools can risk copyright infringement, especially with music in the background. We now step into Google Workspace, exploring tools like Notebook LM, Gemini, and Google Classroom, which offer powerful AI capabilities integrated into your existing workflows. That brings us to part 2 of this video, Taming the Wild West, that is AI, which focuses on establishing proper governance and structure. This part of the video explores the AI ecosystem, from code to compliance, highlighting the architectural blueprint needed to master AI, from basic algorithms to global governance. The modern AI ecosystem is divided into 3 stages. Phase 1 is code, Phase 2 is generative AI, and Phase 3 is governance, which controls scale and risk. Phase 1 is the blueprint of explicit logic. Coding is simply telling a computer what to do through explicit instructions, executing a precise sequence with total predictability. The next evolution in logic is the blueprint of probabilistic logic, which is Phase 2, generative AI. This is where the machine provides the output, based on probabilities and learned patterns. A key challenge with generative AI is the, quote, black box problem, where the machine's decision-making process is hidden. Unlike explicit logic, probabilistic models lack transparency, making audit trails difficult. The ethical and legal risks associated with generative AI include copyright infringement, data retention, GDPR compliance, and bias in the outputs, which can be difficult to track and control. Phase 3 is the AI blueprint of governance and compliance. Establishing frameworks, protocols, and audit checkpoints is essential for controlling the scale and risk of AI deployment. Audit and compliance are key. The machine requires safety barriers, and compliance protocols must be activated to ensure responsible and lawful AI operation. The key challenges with generative AI include audit trail issues and the need for new legislation to address the lack of transparency and potential legal risks in the, quote, black box of AI decisions. Generative AI introduces the risk of, quote, data poisoning, where malicious data is introduced into the training process, leading to biased, harmful, or incorrect outputs. This is a critical security concern. In the UK, the AI regulation is an area of focus, aiming to protect businesses and consumers from the legal and ethical hazards of AI through frameworks and regulation. The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, plays a significant role in AI. It dictates how data must be used, stored, and deleted, particularly focusing on data retention and the right to be forgotten. Data retention is a growing risk with AI. The cost and complexity of ensuring compliance in data deletion, especially when data is continually processed, pose a major challenge for businesses. This brings us to part 3, AI in the future, where we look at upcoming trends and essential preparations for businesses. AI's future will see it become increasingly metered. This is because huge investment needs to be paid back, data centers are expensive to run, and each AI tool comes at a price. A growing trend is the race to establish an AI-free logo, signifying a product is human-made. This is driven by consumer desire for transparency and authenticity. For more information on AI tools for different tasks, you can read my LinkedIn article, Cambolc's 500 Pennies of Thought. You can follow Cambolc on our WordPress blog, Blue Sky, which is our preferred microblog, or on our Facebook page for the latest updates. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Phil Spalding, and you can connect with me on LinkedIn using the link here. I look forward to connecting with you and continuing the conversation about AI for SMEs.